Hey you guys, I do hope you've enjoyed this Christmas tour video. I wanted to do everything in my power to make sure I get this video up for you in 2019. Having everything just come out so beautifully from the mantle, where it was a little difficult for me to do because like I said in my last video, I am not a mantle decorator, so this actually came out so pretty to me, from the icicles to the lights of the projector that projected the snowflakes. I thought it was just so adorably cute, you guys. Really festive. I'm definitely gonna keep this look for next year and try to improve it, so I won't be doing these big shopping sprees. I actually want to try to refine what I have, and I'm in love with how I created this Christmas tree wrap with using fabric. If you haven't seen how I created this look, click the link in the description area. So if you could share this video with your friends, I would truly appreciate it. And don't forget, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And when you subscribe, you have to hit the notification bell because you won't be notified if you don't. So please hit the notification bell and it will notify you whenever I do upload a video so that you can be the first to watch it with everyone else. And lastly, thank you so much for all your encouragement and your support for my channel. I truly appreciate it. If you've enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. If this video has inspired you, please feel free to leave a comment down in the comment section. I would love to read them. I do, and try to answer as many of them as I possibly can. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I will see you guys in 2020. Yay!